Oh, don't mind me. I'm just posing with my new Bluetooth cap. What is going on, everybody? TechFit360 here, and thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. And today on the channel, I have a Bluetooth cap to check out. So you keep it parked where you have it because your road to being tech fit starts in 3, 2, 1. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please consider joining the TechFit360 crew by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Now let's check out today's video. It's already in progress. Shh. So this right here is the EDYELL, I believe I'm saying it right, the EDYELL Bluetooth baseball cap, ironically in the color blue, but you can also purchase it in various colors on Amazon. Now the first thing I noticed was the control panel in the form of a patch with multifunction buttons. Now here's where you can skip your tracks, control the volume, and play and pause your music. Now right here under the visor, there are two small speakers. I like having the speakers under the visor. I've seen other Bluetooth caps that have the speakers on the top of the visor. Now, unless they're waterproof, that will be a problem in the rain. Now, looking inside the cap, under the sweatband is the Bluetooth modules where you can clearly see the multifunction buttons and charging port. It takes 2 hours to fully charge the cap. A full charge will provide 6 hours of playback time, depending on the volume level. Now, you can pair this Bluetooth cap with your Android, Windows, or Apple devices. Just go to your Bluetooth settings, press and hold the play button to place the cap in pairing mode. Now the device you want to connect to is BT01. Now, let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Like I said, not a lot of bass, but it sounds good. It's being recorded with my Rode Video Mic Pro, so I'm not editing the audio or anything like that. Now I'm going to increase the volume. That's at its max right there. Now I'm going to bring it down about halfway. That's about halfway. And this is good for when I'm in the store walking around or just taking a walk because I still want to be able to hear what's happening around me. So this is pretty good. Turning it back up. Yeah, I may be out of rhythm a little bit. That's okay. I say for 22 bucks, you can't beat this. I think it makes a perfect birthday gift for someone who you know who loves tech. Or maybe they just need an introduction to tech. Give them something like this. Also, another feature is that you can also talk on your telephone while you're wearing this cap because it has a built-in microphone, and that's what we're going to check out right now. Okay, so now it's time to dial a friend. Hello, my friend. Hey, I am testing the audio quality of this Bluetooth baseball cap that I'm doing a review on for YouTube. And I just want to know how does the audio sound to you? Does it sound clear? It sounds fairly decent. I can hear you, but you sound a little low. Can you turn up your volume on your phone, or are you as high as you can go?
I'm as high as I can go.
Really? Okay, well, I can hear you, but you're not very loud, but hey.
But did you try turning the volume up on your side so you could hear me better?
I did turn the volume on my side up crazy, and I can't turn the volume up anymore. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
All right, well, I can hear you, so that's the important thing, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay. All right, well, thank you so much for your participation. You will not be getting paid for this, but you will get a nice thank you.
Hey, where's my payment, man?
I'm losing connection, gotta go. All right, talk to you later. All right, so there you have it. Audio quality is not that loud, but it sounds good, and at least I could still hear the person on the other end. So that's the important thing. So for 22 bucks, I'd say you can't go wrong with making this purchase. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll leave the product link for this cap in my description. Make sure you connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel for more tech videos, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And also smash that like button. It helps the channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video. God bless.